They all got jumpsuits now. Yeah. Just wait till you get on that postcard shit. I was ready to go to look at the clouds, man. They'll be able to die. That's dangerous, man.
I want to know where the little boat goes. Like, I'll know about like where it goes.
Probably from the other side.
Alright, everybody. Come on, Mike. Let me hear you announce it.
Did you all see the boat they came in on?
Oh yeah, it's just a makeshift raft.
Yeah, and they said that there was 18 originally. Now there's only 16.
There was 18 when they left.
There was 18 when they left.
Oh, that's bad.
And you go up top, you can see there's 7 other cruise ships the whole way around.
Oh, so did one of them save them or what?
No, they got on ours, but whenever they made the call, everybody within the area had to come. So that's why, like, you go up top, you'll see 7 other cruise ships.
Yeah, there's one over there.
Yeah, you can't see them too. Yeah, they were the whole way around. That's what the housekeeping told us.
They probably don't work.
And they said whenever the boat, when they first saw us, they paddled away and then they came back. And they said there was things that they threw overboard first.
She shows all this good stuff all the time.
You gotta open it up and back it up.
Oh yeah, see look. They just... See if it's right.
Alright.
See you, man.
See ya.
You need to go this way? That's the crew only.
What were you saying happened? I overheard part of it.
From talking to everybody, what I've heard, as soon as I find where they went, originally there was 18, we're told Cuban and Haitians. Mm-hmm. They got on the little blue, just a little blue.
Yeah, we saw that.
You saw that. Mm-hmm. They put out a call, a distress call, and then everybody in the area, once that happens, all the cruise ships anybody in the area has to acknowledge it. You go up top, you'll see where there's 7 cruise ships all in the area, all around us. When they got here, what I saw was they put the 16 out of the 18 that made it here, all got on board here, and then, where did that go? And then they just left her, they started paddling towards it. Whenever they saw the cruise ship coming, they paddled away from us, discharged things over the side, and then came back to us. And so whatever that stuff was, who knows? And then once they got here, we picked them up, and then they just let the boat go with all their belongings and things like that was left in it.
So you said 18, and only 16 got on board.
That's
the other two.
Sent in overboard. That's what we're told. That's all the stories that